In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photos using Canva with just a few simple steps. Canva is a fantastic tool for both beginners and seasoned designers, allowing you to create stunning graphics effortlessly. Whether you want to design something entirely new or touch up an existing image, Canva has all the tools you need. We'll begin by navigating to your Canva project. Open your favorite web browser and head over to canva.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard filled with a variety of options. If you've already got a project underway, it should appear right here in the list of your recent works. Click to open the project you want to work on. Once inside your project, it's time to choose the picture you want to edit. Canva lets you navigate through all the images you've been working with, so just scroll through and click on the one that catches your eye or suits the task at hand. Once selected, you'll notice a lot of options popping up. But for now, we want to zero in on the Edit button. Clicking Edit is like opening a gateway to a suite of transformative tools tailored to enhance your visual creativity. Now that you've clicked Edit, it's time to focus on adjusting your image. One of the key features that Canva offers is the ability to tweak your image with pinpoint precision, enhancing its personality and mood. To start adjusting, you want to find the Adjust button, which is usually located on the top bar of your working window. Clicking on Adjust opens up a panel of sliders, each dedicated to a specific aspect of your image like brightness, contrast, and saturation. But for our specific focus today, we're going to use the Vignette option. The Vignette effect in Canva allows you to soften the edges of your image, giving it a more focused or dreamy look depending on your preference. To find the Vignette slider, scroll all the way down through the list of adjustments. Once you locate it, use the slider to experiment with the effect. You can either deepen the vignette for that dramatic frame or lighten it for a subtle touch. It's all about finding what looks best for your photo. After you've adjusted the vignette to your liking, simply step back and admire your handiwork. It's amazing how such a simple tool can dramatically alter the feel of an image. When you're satisfied with your adjustments, your work is done, and the image is automatically updated in your Canva project. And that's it. Simple yet effective steps to give your image a fresh new look with Canva's editing tools. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident in using Canva for all your design needs. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.